Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds EARFUN Air 2 with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. After that we need to enter pairing mode. We have two options how to enter pairing mode. We can enter to pairing mode automatically or manually. To enter pairing mode automatically, you need to open the charging case and your earbuds of course should be inside the case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to pairing mode automatically, and you know it by the LED light and you will see them at the device list. If you want to enter pairing mode manually, you need to use connection button, what located at the bottom of the charging case, right here near to USB-C port, we have it. Your earbud should be inside the charging case also, and after that just press and hold connection button, the lid should be opened. So press and hold until you will see the LED light blinking like what I have right now, and you will enter to pairing mode manually. After that we can pair them, so just tap on them at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!